Here's a market higher. All right, let's see what else we have. One more name I'll look at. Shell. You know Shell, it's an EV name, truck maker. Whoops, that's not going in the right direction. It was up, touched 14% pre-market. So even with the sell-off, it's still up 6.8%. I do have some of this in the book. So that's actually a pretty good entry if you want to go long. It's all the way down here, getting these nice dojis. You'd have to go with the 50-cent stop though. But even a 50-cent stop in here at 48, 48.50, 49, you're back out of the trade by, 49.50 up in this range. You could even go a bigger stop than that. Actually, I think I'm going to call this. Let's go 48.8 there, just hit it. We're going long, so there's the entry point. This is too good of a setup, and we're looking at a 50-cent stop, so we'll get that set up here in a second. Here's our entry. Terrible arrow. So 50 cents, 48.30 is down here. And it looks like we're maybe already at our stop. So then 48.8, 49.8 would be 2R. So that's 2R. And then 50.30 would be 3R. So there's our 3R point. So we are already back out of this trade. So nice trade there. So when you see something selling off like this, it's you don't want to take it all the way down at the bottom, right? So, but you see these long dojis, it's like they're selling off, it's trying to go higher, selling off, trying to go higher. I'll get the other, so this chart looks right. 49.30 was our 1R point. So when you're looking at that, it's just like, it keeps bouncing higher, keeps bouncing higher. You have to take it somewhere in here. I could have waited till 49. Even if you wait till 49, you're still getting a 3R trade. So you don't need to be, too jumpy about getting into this trade here. But is it a strong name? Yes, it's Shell. It's EV. All this EV plays are going higher. So even though the market's down for a couple minutes here, able to hop in on a nice trade.